Welcome to the section of this course. Today I will solve few sums regarding examples of 4 quadrant trigonometric formulas. Basically you have to understand what is a STC rule. It means in order to remember what you can see after school take coffee, or you can see all students take calculus. Let me find some. This is first quadrant, this is second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Okay, in this first quadrant, A means all trigonometric functions are positive over here in this quadrant. The first quadrant I can define as 360 minus theta or 90 minus theta. Similarly, second quadrant I can define as 90 plus theta or 180 minus theta. Okay. In this quadrant, sin theta and its reciprocal means sin theta is 1 by cosec theta. It's positive over here, and rest of all trigonometric functions will be negative. Same way, in the third quadrant, we can define as 180 plus theta or 270 minus theta. In this quadrant, T stands for tan theta, and its reciprocal means what? Reciprocal means tan theta is 1 by cot theta. Okay. That these two trigonometric functions are positive, rest of trigonometric functions are negative in this quadrant. Okay. In the fourth quadrant, what we can do is we can define as 270 plus theta or 360 minus theta. Okay. In this quadrant, cos theta and its reciprocal means what? Cos theta and sec theta is positive. Rest trigonometric functions are negative in this quadrant. So this is 90 degree, 180 degree, 270, 360 degree, all are in degree form. Okay, you can express in terms of radian, say pi. Instead of 90, I can say it is pi by 2. Instead of 180, we can say it is pi. Instead of 270, you can say 3 pi by 2. Or instead of 360, you can say 2 pi. Okay. Similarly, you can rotate as you wish. Okay. Now, let's over here in this first quadrant, we know we have over here 30 degree, we have 45 degree, we have 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, here. Okay, we have all standard for each and every trigonometric functions. We can define 30, 45, 60, 90 are all standard functions. Okay, but if you want to find each and every function, for example 0 degree, 11, 10, etc., in between all values also you can find, but these are all standard values. Okay, first let's solve this one. First is what? Cos of 105 degree. Okay, 105 degree lies in which quadrant? Lies in this quadrant. Okay, in this quadrant, it means it is in second quadrant. Okay, what we can do is cos 105 can be written as 90 plus something or 180 minus something. Okay, we can write like this: cos of 180 minus something, or you can say some theta. Okay, or you can say cos of pi by 2, or you can say 90. Okay, 90 plus theta 1 or theta 2. Okay, you can define like this. Okay, or let's see 180. What is 180? Okay, 180, 105. If I subtract here I become a 75. Okay, means 90 plus 75 become a 105. Okay, so instead of theta 2, I can write it's 75, because 90 plus 75 is become a what? Now you can see here cos of 105 I can define as, here cos of 105 will lies in second quadrant. I can define as same as 180 minus some theta 1. Okay, or you can say it's 180 90 plus theta 2. Here 90 plus theta 2. Here theta 1 and theta 2 you can say is same as 180 minus 75. 180 minus 75 I gives 105. Okay. Similarly, or you can say it is 90 plus, instead of theta 2, 90 plus 15 is what? 105. Okay. Now it implies now 180 plus 75. Okay. See, 180 minus 75 is what? 180 minus 75. Since it is multiple of pi, okay, it is multiple of pi, so trigonometric function goes itself. It means cos will go to what? Cos. Okay. Why? Because it is multiple of pi, means it lies in this line. If it is multiple of pi or it lies in this line, it's pi, 2 pi, 3 pi and so on. So if it is in that case, cos will go to cos, sin will go to sin, and derivative function does not change. Okay. Now here, okay, what about plus and minus? Okay, in this quadrant, cos is what? Cos is minus. Cos is minus because in this quadrant sin and its reciprocal cosec is positive over here. Okay, and then angle will be what? 75 as it is. Okay. Now look at over here. Okay, 75 degree. So you can find cos of 75 degree. Cos of 75 degree is not here or here. Okay, or you can find cos 75 is same as 45 plus. Or you can find from the calculator also. Okay. Otherwise, let's see over here. Now, instead of this 105, what I can do is cos 90 plus 15. Okay. Now, cos of 90 plus 15 is what? Since it is not multiple of pi, cos will go to sin. Okay. Sin, and here, since only sin is positive, since cos is there, it will minus over here. Will go to 15 degree. Okay, sin of 15 also you can find from the calculator, or you can, what we can do is minus sin 15 is same as sin 45 minus sin 45 minus sin, you can say 30 minus 45. We have this formula, sin of a minus b. You can apply that formula. Okay, sin of a minus b, we have sin of a minus b is sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. We can use this formula and you can find that formula. Even if 75 also, what you can do is minus cos, we have cos also. Okay, cos for cos a plus minus b. Here cos of a plus or minus b is called plus or minus, you can see over here, is cos a cos b plus minus plus sin a sin b. Okay, by applying that formula also you can find, or you can find cos 75 from the directly calculator. Of here also you can find directly sin 15 from the calculator. Okay, these two values will be same. Okay, now let's solve 2. Okay, 2 means what? Sin of 150. What you can do, sin of 150 also lies in the second quadrant. Okay, or you can do 150 is you can do one thing, you can add 90 plus 60, because 90 and 90 you have as well as 60 you have for each and every trigonometric functions. Okay, we'll solve 2s. Let's see, 2 sin of 150 degree. So sin of 150 degree is same as sin of 90 plus 60, because 90 plus 60 degree is 150 degree. Okay, now here you can say this is same as, since it is not multiple of pi, you can say pi by 2, sin will go to what? Cos. In this quadrant 90 plus something. Okay, where theta lies between 0 and 90 degree, since theta is 60 degree, so sin will go to cos. Okay, and then what about sin? Okay, in this quadrant sin is positive over here, therefore plus will come. Okay, and then it will be cos of 60 degree. Okay, now cos 60 standard formula you have. You can do one thing, In order to remember trigonometric functions formula, what you can do is, what we have is, we have 0, 30, 45, 60, 90. Here sine of theta, sine 0 is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. Okay. Similarly, cos of, just get reverse, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. In order to, over here cos of 60 is here 1 by 2, okay. Here answer is 1 by 2. Otherwise, what we can do is, you can apply sin A plus B. Here, sin A plus B you can apply, and then the same formula you will get it. Sin A plus sin A plus B is sin A cos B. This formula you can apply, and same answer you will get. Now, in order to remember this formula, what you can do is, you can express in this way, okay. This standard formula, like we have left finger over here, okay. Say left finger I have this way. This is the left finger. Now, each fingers we can define it is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree, okay. This sine of any angle is, we can define square root of upon 2, square root of below finger, okay, below angle finger, okay. Meaning means, for example, if you want to find sine of, for example, sine of 0 degree, okay. From 0 degree, do you have any finger? Number of how many fingers are there below? No, there is nothing, okay. If I want to find out sine of 0 degree, then what is this? So, from here, there is no finger which is below 0 degree. So it is 0, okay. 0 upon 2. 0 upon 2 is what? 0. Sine of 0 is 0, okay. What about 30 degree, okay. What about sine of 30 degree? In order to remember this sine of 30 degree, how many fingers are there below 30 degree? So I have one finger which is below 30 degree, so I have 1 upon 2. Square root of 1 is what? 1 upon 2, okay. Here we have, okay. And sine of 45 is what? We have how many fingers are there? 2, okay. So here we have sine of 45 is, we have how many fingers? 2 fingers are there. Square root of 2 upon 2 is 1 by root 2. Because root 2, I can keep root 2 into 2 is 2. 2 gets cancelled. We have root 2 down. Okay, it is same as 1 by root 2. Here 1 by root 2. Similarly, if I want to find 60 degree, sine of 60 degree, how many fingers we have? 1, 2, 3. So it will be what? Root 3 upon 2. Root 3, how many fingers are there? Root 3 upon 2. And 90, how many fingers there? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers are there, okay. Therefore, say so sine of 90 is, we have square root of 4 upon 2 is 2 upon 2 is 1, okay. Here, this is how to remember, okay, how to remember sine angles, okay. Similarly, you can find cos angle is above the finger, or you can say, once you know sine and just reverse it, you will get cos. If you know sine and cos, all trigonometric functions you can find. If you want to find tan theta, is sine by cos. It's in every functions. Cot is 1 by tan, and cosec is 1 by sine, sec is 1 by cos. So all trigonometric functions you can find it, okay. Now let's find out 3, okay. 3 is sine of 45 degree. Sine 45 is what? Sorry, sine of 450 degree, okay. Sine of 450 is what? You rotate from 0 degree, okay. 0 degree here is 360. 360 plus 90 is what? Let's see. Let's find out. 3 is sine of 450 degree, okay. So sine 450 degree is it same as? It is same as sine of 360 plus 90, is it same as? Just check. 5, yeah. Okay, it means it lies in this line. Okay, this is same as, since it is multiple of pi, sine will go to sine. Okay, therefore it will be sine of 90 degree. Sine 90 is what we have? Sine 90 is 1. Okay, it's very simple formula. Simple sine 90 is 1. It's very simple over here. Otherwise, what you can do is, similarly, you can apply sine A plus B over here. You can expand this, or you can find the same value. Okay. Now let's solve number 4. Number 4 is what? Cos of 315. Cos of 315. Okay. What is cos of 315? Is it same as what? 360 cos of, from here 360 minus 315 is how much? Here 5. Here what we have is 45. What we can do is, instead of 315, I can write like this: cos of 360 minus 45, because 360 minus 45 is 315. Okay, it's a, since it is multiple of pi, so cos will go to cos. Okay, just check it, it lies in which quadrant. Okay, over here just check it lies in which quadrant. 360 plus 90 degree. Okay, it lies in what? In the excess. Okay, here does not problem. Over here 360 minus 45 degree. Okay, 360 here, 360 minus 45 degree means it lies in the fourth quadrant. Okay, in the fourth quadrant we have cos is positive, so we don't have anything. And then since it is multiple by pi, cos will go to cos, and it will come what? 45 degree. Cos 45 is what? Cos 45 is where we have 1 by root 2. Okay. As same as you can apply this formula also, cos A plus B or A minus B. The same way we have standard from value for 360 and 45. Here just remember, here CS, and here 1 comma 0 minus 1 comma 0. It goes, it means cos of 180 is minus 1, sine of 180 is 0. Similarly, CS cos of, here I have 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma 1. Cos of 90 is 0. Just check it, cos of 90 is 0. Cos sine of 90 is 1. Sine of 90 is 1 over here. Okay. So by applying all these standard formula, you can solve the same way. Okay. Now 5, tan of 150. Okay. Tan of 150 degree is same as tan of 180 minus 30. Okay. 180 minus 30 is what? 180 minus 30. Okay, 180 minus 30 lies in second quadrant. Okay, second quadrant, here sine in its reciprocal means cosec is positive. Therefore, tan will be minus over here. Since it is multiple of pi, so tan will go to 10. Okay, it will be what? Tan 30. Tan 30 degrees. Here sine by cos. Here 1 by 2 upon root 3 by 2. Half case cancel. I am getting minus 1 by 3. Okay. Thank you.